I'm gonna be doing Kara's makeup. Say hi, take off your glasses.
Hi.
I think we're just gonna do a simple eye look, correct?
Correct.
You know what?
Bitch
Fuck
didn't
these
even notice.
neutrals. We're gonna use
Oh,
bada
shit.
bing! I'm gonna go for a rainbow look, which means every color is involved.
You smoke weed every day.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
We're gonna do every color of the rainbow, like, upwards. So, like, it's literally gonna go to her brow. Like, so, rainbow is red, orange, yellow, green, blue. No. We're gonna do one eye warm tone, one eye cool tone.
Oh, shit.
So it's gonna be like this, like, you know. Hi.
You guys want some snacks?
Okay. What eyes is your right?
That's my left. But you reek of dang.
No, I don't. Do I really? Do I smell like Wheaties? Oh, I like that sniff. See, I love this palette so much because it's so compact. You just need a few layers. Don't look at it yet. It looks ugly. Can they see over there? Face the audience. I'm just gonna smudge it out, I guess. Then we're gonna add this electric orange.
Oh, gee!
Are you good?
I haven't done that since I was like 6 months old.
Chloe's my nephew.
Close that eye. Oh yeah, we're gonna windshield wipe her.
That's a mustard yellow.
Thank you.
Do you mind if I look or no?
No, you can't look.
But my channel.
We're on to the blue cool tone.
It was actually pretty fun.
Ready, baby girl?
Yes. But you're smaller than me. How am I your baby?
Bitch, have you seen my...
It's not as big as mine.
Well, what about our dicks right now? Now we're gonna do blue.
I'm fucking
Yeah.
sorry, YouTube
No, this
video.
was already ruined when I started recording it, so it's fine. The blue looks so nice because, like, your eyes.
Crack that fucking LaCroix.
What did you just call me?
You're literally talking about our fucking sparkle and you're like,
Bitch.
Color mixing. No, that's actually really cute. I feel like it's not really rainbow anymore. It's more of light and day. Night and day.
I know, Grandma.
Oh my god, your eye looks so pretty.
I'm
I think I
Harley
did
Quinn.
cute.
You look like a fucking fairy, the fuck?
What do I look like then? A troll?
okay,
Yes.
Grandma.
Open. We're gonna put dots.
Is it actually like good or
Let me
is it just
see.
like
Stop.
fake as fuck?
Do you regret doing this or are you having fun?
No, I'm having fun.
Really
I'm sorry I'm
surprising.
white.
I know
It's
it's
okay.
I feel like I seem like such a bitch in this video. Like, I'm sorry everyone, I'm just awkward.
It's the OG mascara,
Is
guys.
that Wet n Wild?
No.
No.
It's Great Lash. That was the first.
Now, we're gonna do a bunch of shimmer. And for you, I'm gonna use my very special one
Oh my
that
God, the
is
California
really
is
good.
trendy.
Concealer from them. That's like
Be like
my
a
head
bronzer or something. Oh, whoa! Look, it's already glowing! Dude, no, tilt your head. Oh.
Oh, wait, it's this
yes! Are you okay with lip plumper where it tingles your lips or no?
Oh yeah, I use that every day.
I'll do it now. I love this one. I feel like it's a really like hooker like lip gloss.
That's what good pussy sounds like.
I guess show them the completed look. Oops, sorry, Winsome. Oh my god! Thank you for everyone who watched this video. I honestly think it came out pretty good for the situation we're in. I think the eyeshadow came out the best. Bye! Bye!